Welcome back to Tino Quiz. Today, we have got 40 fun puzzles for you. Just combine the pictures to guess the animal's name. Think fast before time runs out, and let's see if you are a true genius. Don't forget to subscribe to watch the latest videos. And let's started. Question 1, guess the animal. It's a jellyfish, beautiful but stinging. Question 2, can you guess? You got it, it's a starfish. Question 3, what's this? Correct, it's a seahorse. Question 4, decode this. That's a swordfish, sharp and fast. Question 5, look at the clues. It's a clownfish, just like Nemo. Question 6, who is it? That's a whale shark, the gentle giant. Question 7, guess the name. It's a hammerhead shark, look at that head. Remember the order of these sea animals. Whale is in position number 3. Question 9, solve this. Rower, it's a tiger shark. Question 10, what is it? It's a catfish, meow of the ocean. Question 11, guess the animal. That's a lionfish, so majestic. Question 12, can you see it? It's a sawfish, mind the nose. Question 13, decode this. That's an elephant seal, so big. Which one is scarier? Tell us in the comments. Question 15, guess the name. It's a horseshoe crab, a living fossil. Question 16, who is this? Long legs, it's a spider crab. Question 17, look at the clues. That's a nurse shark, friendly neighbor. Question 18, guess the fish. Colorful, it's a parrotfish. Question 19, solve this. So pretty, it's a butterfly fish. Did you follow it? It's in shell number 3. Question 21, guess the fish. Master of disguise, it's a stonefish. Question 22, can you guess? Pop, it's a balloonfish. Question 23, what's the name? It's a boxfish, square and cute. Question 24, decode this. Up in the air, it's a flying fish. Question 25, who is it? Muo, it's a cowfish. Question 26, guess the animal. It's a crayfish. Crowfish, get it? Would you rather? Question 28, look at the clues. All hail the king crab. Question 29, guess the name. It's a hermit crab, finding a home. Question 30, solve this. Watch out for the light, it's an anglerfish. Remember the order of these sea animals. Where is the clownfish? Clownfish is in position number 4. Question 32, what is it? Rock on, it's a guitarfish. Question 33, guess the name. Long and thin, it's a pipefish. Question 34, decode this. It's a surgeonfish, just like Dory. Question 35, who is this? Bullseye, it's an archerfish. Question 36, guess the animal. Another name for seahorse, it's a hippocampus. Question 37, guess the name. It's a sea dragon, so mythical. Question 38, look at the clues. Nutty, it's a squirrelfish. Question 39, Guess the giant. Heavyweight, it's a sunfish. Question 40, final question. Last one, it's a moonfish. Great job. And that's the end of our underwater journey. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Like the video and subscribe to Tino Quiz for more fun emoji challenges. See you next time.